Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we will check out the gutter mount from Ring for their Ring stick-up cam and spotlight cam battery and solar panel. I also did review their wall mount, the camera and solar panel combo a few weeks ago, and I will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. But if you're considering a wall mount instead of the gutter mount, watch this video first because this gutter mount has another feature which I'll show you later in the video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you. So this comes in a plastic bag. Inside we have the user guide. We have a small box that contains some accessories. We have a screw-in cap. We have a plastic mounting plate. We have the mounting screws and plastic anchors. We have a screw-in adapter, and this is for the Ring stick-up cam. And it seems like it is going to be a proprietary adapter. And this is for the spotlight cam battery, and it comes with a small machine screw. Then we have the gutter mount itself. Plastic built and quality is decent. We have the clamping system to clamp into your rain gutters. This will have another point of support which will help clamp this mount down. And it is going to be a snap-on type of connection from the mount to the camera. And you can tighten the ball head from here. It comes with a rubber strap for cable management. You can loosen the collar to lengthen the solar panel arm. And you can actually remove this and pull it out, and you can use the cap to cover the hole if you don't have a solar panel yet, or just use this as a gutter mount for your Ring stick-up cam or spotlight cam battery by themselves, which is cool that Ring thought about this. Time to install this. Pro tip: when installing gutter mounts, try to install it as close as you can to the gutter brackets for extra support. Loosen up the clamp and also lower down the support feet by turning the screw clockwise so that it will rest on the front face of the gutter. Then hook it up and clamp it to the gutter and tighten the screw all the way as tight as you can. Then the bottom screw for the support feet, turn it clockwise, which will push into the gutter for solid support. And there you have it, it is installed. Now the solar mount will have the Ring's super solar panel bracket installed, and for the regular Ring solar panel, you can remove the bigger bracket by lifting the tab and sliding it out. And now you can easily slide in the regular Ring solar panel. Now for the cameras, and let's start with the Ring stick-up cam, which we will use the 1/4 screw mount on the back. The adapter is designed that you can only put it in vertically. Screw it in tight. Push in the stick-up cam to the mount until it locks in place, and position the camera where you want it. The ball head is tight enough that I don't need to tighten the screw. And lastly, you can plug in the solar panel to the camera. Nice, it is a clean looking install. As to the spotlight cam battery, open up the battery compartment. Push the release button and pull out the mount adapter by sliding it towards the battery area. Then slide in the gutter mount adapter in its place. Close the battery compartment, and it is ready to be installed. You can install the lock screw if you want, but it doesn't really hold the adapter, but it will prevent it from sliding out. This time the adapter is oriented horizontally, and you can just snap it in place on the gutter mount. Now you can have your Ring stick-up cam and solar panel setup installed without drilling any holes, and also your Ring spotlight cam battery with its solar panel clamped in your rain gutters, which is a way cleaner and integrated looking setup. But this Ring gutter mount has another trick up in its sleeve. It also comes with a wall bracket. If you unscrew the screw on the side of the gutter mount, you can slide out the clamp. Screw in the included wall mount on your wall with the included screws. Slide in the mount and screw in the machine screw to secure it in place. Install the solar panel and your Ring camera. And now you have another option for installation, and you can have your Ring stick-up cam and solar panel and also your Ring spotlight cam and its solar panel installed in a wall, and you only have to screw in 2 screws. I think this is the most versatile mount yet. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.